If you want to send SMS, emails, or automated messages to customers worldwide, you have probably heard of ClickSend. But what exactly is it and how does it work? In this beginner's guide, I'll explain it simply, how it functions, and whether it's worth using. What is ClickSend? It is a cloud based communication platform that lets businesses send messages to customers through multiple channels like SMS, voice calls, email, and even fax, all from one dashboard or API. And instead of using separate tools for each communication method, this platform centralizes everything in one system. How it works. Here's the process. Create an account, sign up and verify your business or phone number, add credits. It uses a pay as you go model, so you only pay for what you send. Choose a channel, SMS, email, voice, or messaging apps. Upload contacts, import lists or add numbers manually, send or automate, send messages instantly or schedule them using automation rules or API integrations. Developers can also connect it directly to apps or websites, so messages trigger automatically. For example, sending order confirmations or OTP codes. Key features. Here are the main key features beginners should know. Bulk messaging. Send thousands of messages at once. Automation. Set triggers for reminders, alerts, or notifications. Global reach. Works in many countries with international delivery. API access. Developers can integrate messaging into software. Two-way messaging. Customers can reply and you receive responses. Pricing. Pricing is usage based. That means there is usually no monthly subscription. You just pay per message or per service used. Rates vary depending on country and message type. So local messages costs less than international ones. Pros and cons. Let's start with the pros and the advantages. Easy to use for beginners, flexible pay as you go pricing, multiple communication channels in one place. But for sorry, nothing is perfect as we all know. And for the cons, we have costs can add up with high volume, some features require technical setup, pricing varies by country, which can be confusing. Who should use it? Now, for this section, it's best for businesses that need automated notifications, marketing messages, or customer alerts, especially e commerce stores, service companies, and developers building apps. Final verdict and conclusion. If you want a simple, scalable way to send business messages globally without managing multiple tools, this platform is a solid beginner friendly option and worth trying. And that is it for today's guide. If you find this video helpful, please support us with like, subscribe. And for more videos like this, please turn on this bell icon to get all the new. And tell me down below in the comments if you have used this software before or not. Thank you for watching and goodbye.